Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring. Note your GPU idle and load temps so you know the baseline. Once done, update the GPU driver and the operating system to rule out software causes and close background apps that use the GPU. Make sure to run one stress or game test now to confirm the high temperature. This first pass isolates whether the issue is software-related or hardware-related, letting you pick the right next steps with confidence. Now tackle airflow and cooling. Open the case and blow dust out of fans and heat sinks. Compressed air makes a big difference. Once cleaned, check case fan layout, front intake and top or rear exhaust, and space cables to avoid turbulence. You should also set a more aggressive fan curve in your GPU utility, raising RPM once temps approach 70 degrees, because active cooling reduces junction temperature faster than passive fixes alone. These actions lower sustained temps under load. Finish with advanced fixes. If temperatures remain high, reapply thermal paste or replace thermal pads. Old compound can glaze and lose conductivity. You can also undervolt the GPU to cut power draw and heat while keeping performance. Test stability with benchmarking tools after each change. If nothing helps, try the card in another system to separate PSU or motherboard issues from the GPU itself. Troubleshooting tip. If temps spike suddenly, check fan headers and GPU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.